Easy peasy decimal estimation. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting part of the English language and mathematics, the world of multiplication and decimals. Specifically, we'll focus on estimating decimal products. Not to worry, we'll break this down into manageable parts, so by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident about both your English skills and mathematics. First, let's refresh our memory on decimals. When we talk about decimals in English, we use the word point for the decimal separator. For instance, 1.5 is read as 1.5, and 0.75 is read as 0.75. Now, let's move on to the multiplication of decimals. For example, if we multiply 1.5 by 2, we say 1.5 times 2 equals 3. So, as you can see, multiplying decimals isn't so different from multiplying whole numbers. Before we dive into estimating decimal products, let's understand the concept of estimation. Estimation is about making an educated guess. It's not about getting the exact answer, but about getting a close, approximate answer. For example, if we want to estimate the product of 2.8 and 3, we could round 2.8 to 3 and say, 3 times 3 equals 9. It's not the exact answer, but it's close and it's easier to calculate. Now, on to our main topic, estimating decimal products. Let's say we want to estimate the product of 1.6 and 2.5. To make it simpler, we could round 1.6 to 2 and 2.5 to 3. So, we'd say, 2 times 3 equals 6. This is our estimated product. Remember, estimation helps us to make quick calculations and gives us a rough idea of what the exact answer will be. And there you have it. We've covered decimals, multiplication, the concept of estimation, and finally how to estimate decimal products. Always remember, practice is key to mastering both English and mathematics. Keep practicing these concepts and you'll become more confident. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, keep learning and growing.